Today on Mike's Pipe Talk, how do I install a toilet fill valve? So first you're gonna remove your first one. This one will go inside your tank. You adjust it to the height. Of course, you put it in your set screw underneath. Tighten that, hand tight. You can tighten it a little bit, but remember, all this is plastic. Once you put the water back on, you can adjust this to the height that you need. Also, this does adjust up. Once it's adjusted, you'll want to put the fill hose into the overflow, and usually they come with this little stem that sits it right where you need it.